The last trade we lost, right? Let's see what we get here. We got some reflexivity going on right now, right? We're gonna go here, and we're gonna go, no, that's 75. We're gonna go 225. Now, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go to the upside, right? Because we got sentiment there, but look what we got. A couple things happening. We got the VWAP dropping. Lots of activity here, right? We also had the sentiment on the VMAX with a lower low on the bottom and a lower low on the top and another lower low on the bottom, all prior to the VWAP pulling down. So we're gonna wait. All right, I think that we need a little more confirmation, right? There's a higher high playing with us, playing hard with us, aren't they? Watch me double in. Tried to scare us, didn't they? Teach a new trick. Go here, build a rectangle, and this guy right here. We're probably gonna go back up, right? Because we haven't opened. Nothing is open on the lower half of this. We're close. That's right on the line. You got that rectangle with the center line. You need something to open below or above. So this opened above, but it had a wick. This opened on the line, failing to exit that little zone, right? VMAX is giving us higher, 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 higher. And the slope here, it's a lot of distance for it to, that slope to not fail higher. Okay, so that's kind of a good thing, right? Now there's another high. It's not over yet, right? We need the next oscillation to confirm another higher high. Slowly but slowly, we're building that momentum to the top side, right? All right. Looking like we're gonna build that momentum to the upside. 40. There we go. Minus 16. Yeah. You've got all the tools you need, right? There's a little bit of a wick though. Oh, we got a little bit of raw sentiment against us. Nail biter, huh? Well, that doesn't look promising. VWAP has actually decreased, moved to there's that cell, yeah. The sentiment, raw and smooth, have built out here. VWAP has went down. Cells looking rough, right? I let it ride though. I put last week on the table, and I wasn't kidding about that. You know what? Minus 27. There we go. There we go. A little bit of profit. We're getting some buy signals. Sentiment has changed on us. So, now the top's coming down. Market's narrowing on the top. Price is at 88,264. That was. See, the low is 88,372 for the day. So I don't think we're gonna. That problem. I don't think we're going to go there. Higher high. The bottoms are higher, extending out. Market's widening. Let's see what we got. Be right back. All right, looks like we got it. Looks like we got it, right? Let's see, when did we get in? How long have I been gone? Well, we got it. That's what matters. I wasn't here. I was like, you know what? I'm committed. But I've got some chili out there getting cold. It's gonna do whether I watch it or whether I don't. There it is. The total on this trade was 20 minutes and 17 seconds. The total video time. I'm going to edit out a lot of the silent, right?